Quickly and conveniently attaches to bags, belt loops or a pack, making access simple and direct. Luminous directional markers on the 1.06-inch, 27 mm diameter face aid reading in low light. Durable, affordable, practical. Largest single brand of camping accessories in the world. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to read. Perfect hiking compass. This is a basic but practical compass. It is accurate without being bulky or super sensitive to read. Carabiner clip makes it a handy-to-use device as well. This model is hard to find and the seller shipped fast, so I am pleased all the way around. Highly recommend.